Welcome to the Known and Unknown YouTube channel where you get to know about the facts and stories by which you are not aware. Hello, my name is Spec and I am your host for this video. And in today's video we are going to know about the origin of the Earth and formation of Moon and what exists even before Earth. So let's begin the journey of begin known to unknown. Earth, our home, is a unique planet teeming with life. But how did it come to be? Join us on a journey through time to uncover the origin of Earth. Part 1: Formation of Solar System. Our story begins around 4.6 billion years ago, within a vast and cold region of space known as a giant molecular cloud. This cloud, composed mainly of hydrogen, helium, and dust, drifted through the Milky Way galaxy, appearing as a dark and dense expanse against the backdrop of distant stars. A transformative event occurred when a nearby supernova, the explosive death of a massive star, sent powerful shockwaves through the molecular cloud. These shockwaves disturbed the delicate balance of the cloud, causing regions within it to compress and collapse under their own gravity. One particular region of this cloud began to collapse, its gravitational pull growing stronger as it contracted. As the material within this region fell inward, it started to spin, conserving angular momentum, and gradually flattened into a rotating disk. At the core of this collapsing region, pressure and temperature increased, igniting nuclear fusion and giving birth to our Sun. This newly formed star, our young Sun, was surrounded by a vast, rotating protoplanetary disk. This disk, composed of gas and dust, extended outwards from the Sun and became the cradle for the formation of the solar system. Part 2: Accretion of Planetesimals. Within this protoplanetary disk, countless particles of dust and ice began to collide and stick together through electrostatic forces. These tiny particles gradually formed clumps, which continued to collide and merge, growing into larger and larger bodies known as planetesimals. These planetesimals, measuring kilometers in size, were the building blocks of the planets. Through a process called accretion, these planetesimals experienced frequent collisions and mergers. As they collided, they stuck together, forming even larger bodies called protoplanets. This period of accretion was chaotic, with numerous collisions reshaping the landscape of the early solar system. As the protoplanets grew, their gravitational influence increased, allowing them to attract and incorporate more material. Over millions of years, the largest of these protoplanets cleared their orbits of smaller debris, either incorporating it or ejecting it into space, establishing more stable paths around the Sun. One of these protoplanets grew larger and larger, eventually becoming Earth. In its early stages, Earth was a molten world, bombarded by meteors and comets. Part 3: Formation of Moon. About 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized body, often called Theia, collided with the young Earth. The impact was so immense that it ejected a significant amount of debris into orbit, which eventually coalesced to form the Moon. Over time, Earth's surface began to cool and solidify, forming a solid crust. Volcanic activity was rampant, releasing gases that would eventually form Earth's early atmosphere. Comets and volcanic outgassing brought water to the young Earth. As the planet continued to cool, water vapor condensed to form clouds, and torrential rains fell, filling the basins that would become our oceans. Now the final part: origin of life. In these primordial oceans, life began. Simple, single-celled organisms emerged, likely around hydrothermal vents where the conditions were just right. These were the first forms of life on Earth. Over billions of years, these simple organisms evolved and diversified. Life on Earth progressed from single-celled bacteria to complex multicellular organisms, eventually giving rise to plants, animals, and ultimately, humans. The origin of Earth is a testament to the incredible processes that shape our universe. As we continue to explore and understand our planet, we gain deeper insights into our own existence and the delicate balance that sustains life. Thanks for watching our video. If you love this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and also leave comment about what video you want to see next. It will be very appreciated and also boost my confidence for making such videos. And in this channel we are going to cover some interesting topics and also creating some video on origin of things and conspires theories, so please subscribe this channel for such content.